2018 Chrysler Pacifica. The Pacifica crossover features the driving attributes of a sedan and the utility and space of a minivan or SUV. The Pacifica has top-notch safety scores, an upscale interior, and a spacious cabin that leaves room for your family to grow. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, stability control, backup camera, dual airbags, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, keyless start, cruise control, front floor mats, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, front-wheel drive, MP3 player, child safety locks, power door locks. Come take a test drive today.